Hello and welcome. So we've got a double water filter coming in. So water comes in from the spigot. We've got it, it's currently winter here, so I've got a heated hose connected to our regulator, and then there's a hose that runs up over the box, goes through our filter system, then comes back and connects to our water inlet, because the water filter system that we have connects to like a regular garden hose. So that's our filter there. It's just a double filter to filter out most of the contaminants and things that come through the water here, because you don't know what your quality is going to be in an RV site. So we've got a double one, because then we can good for drinking water. And so I just want to kind of show you my setup. I have just a double filter. I have it mounted up inside the back of the water bay here, so that way obviously we don't want it sitting outside. And then because it's just a regular hose, I just figured I'd hook it up through the city water inlet there, instead of trying to run it in after that, because as you can see, there's a whole lot of hoses, water hoses going on in here, connections. And so it'll just be easiest to connect it on the outside before it comes in. That way all water is filtered that comes through the whole RV, so I don't have to worry about any of the pipes or anything being plugged with contaminants. I'll put a link in the description for this double water filter, but I know there's a lot of different water filters out there that are multi filters. At least one filter is better than nothing. I know they also have some of the other ones that you can hook up to the hose as it's coming in. That's a little easy replacement, but these are pretty straightforward. The one on the right is the first stage. That filter gets replaced every 3 months. The filter on the left is stage 2. That filter gets replaced every 6 months. I just replaced those filters, so I have those down here on the ground. So these are the filters that came out, so it was definitely due for switching out those filters.
Can you help me?
Yeah, I'll help you in 1 second, buddy. And then also in our water bay, I have a water sensor that's sitting back there, and then I also have some of those beads to absorb any moisture, just to make sure the moisture is low out here. And then we also have a smart thermometer that tells us the humidity level and then also the temperature. So it shows that the humidity level in here is at 34% for moisture, so that's pretty low, so I'll take that. And then right now it shows the temperature is 37, but that's because I've got the bay open and it's below freezing currently outside here. It's in the 20s while I'm working on this, but it was time to switch the filters and couldn't really wait much longer. As you can, after you kind of get past that point of, they tell you to switch them out every 6 months, both filters, or the first stage every 3 months, you'll notice that the water will start to have an odor to it. It'll start smelling. Your water pressure will probably go down. And just due to that, it's time to switch out those filters. As you can see, our filters were pretty gross here, so they're supposed to both be white, and obviously that's no longer the case. But all right, so I just want to give you a little run through here of our water filters setup. We seem to it works really well for us. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.